Good morning, my favorite people. The night was interesting. I could say that I slept, but it was raining like very strong because while I was sleeping, I opened the window to have some fresh air. It's German style, so I also do it, but I was so lazy to go up and close it, so I was sleeping, wake upping, and then the neighbors seems wanted to cut the grass urgently at 8 o'clock on Saturday, so I don't need any alarm clock. But besides the joke, I slept good because it's Saturday. The shops should work today, even if it's Oster. So right now I'm passing my favorite house here, slowly going to Netto. This is a discount shop. There is 2 shops around. And I also saw that there is a small bakery. Maybe I will have a breakfast there. In the pension, the place that I stay, you also can have a breakfast. But I decided not to have because today I have a full day. Maybe I will grab some stuff that I can eat shortly and also during the dinner time. Or if, for example, I find some nice place to stay during the day, I will do it. And also for tomorrow. So, guys, let's follow the road with me. That would be intensive morning preparation for the day. So, Netto work from 7 till 9. There is also the bakery inside. Look what I found. Regen pancho. I forgot mine. And they even have the total one. I should take one of them. So they have some berries even on the action. So maybe the berries. So they also have some cooked products. I know this brand, it's like a protein. Also some juices and some sandwiches. I'm thinking for my hike I will probably take this one. This is nice. So I'm thinking to take some tomatoes. The thing is that I cannot take a lot of things because I don't have a refrigerator, but it's okay. Also different kind of cheese, some of them I know. Maybe I have to try something new. And surely very important, water. Probably you're curious about the prices. I pay 42. So, and this is Junge Bäckerei. Let's go. So here they have the Frühstück pasta. I took this nice bread also. Chai latte. I tried this bread already in Rostock. I asked to warm up a bit. So let's check. It's very good. So I just have very fast but tasty breakfast. The weather is still raining, just slight raining, but I have a raining jacket with me. Right now I will slowly go back to pension place, put some stuff there, and then start my journey back to the ghost forest. More hiking and discovering and feeling the forest, the trees. I'm thinking also to rent a bicycle. So I was checking with a pension owner the place where I can rent a bicycle, and it's possible to do it close to the forest. This place open at 10 o'clock, so I think right now it soon will be 10 o'clock, so I can go there and also rent a bicycle. Let's see. So I just changed my outfit and I put the rainproof jacket. Let's see if it will be too cold for me. Then I will put my Daunenjacke. So what do you think about my outfit? If it's too optimistic or it's okay? What do you think? So close to the beach there is touristic office, but it's closed. Here maybe I wanted to show you the map. I will go here, then somewhere in this area I will do hiking in Gespensterwald, because yesterday I just went here. Today I want to walk around. And the bicycle rental, it's somewhere here, but it's closed now. It will open at 4 o'clock. Okay, that's interesting. It's like Easter celebration at 4 o'clock. Cyclists. Toilet. So guys, if you want to go to the toilet, this is the right place. It's very clean, free and nice. So I'm thinking to take this one, Baltic Seaside Resort, 2.5 hours. It's like a small loop. I'm not sure that I go in this side. Maybe if I have a bicycle I will go. So I will just start with the loop. Let's slowly start the hiking. There is more people there today. And I will try to go somewhere deeper today in the forest. So let's see what's inside. Okay. Whew. If I would be the kid, I would maybe play around here. So I came to the same side point as yesterday. Now the road showed me that I have to go a little bit further. Okay, I see there is the entrance to the beach. Let's go there. I want to show you the ghost forest from the beach, so I will walk a bit just to give you the feeling. How is it there? So let's come a little bit closer just to see the structure. As you saw in the instruction from yesterday, you have to be very careful to stand there because every time the sound and the stone ground can move. So I showed you some view from the beach and let's continue my hiking way. I already see the hütte. It's a very small one. I think people left some garbage there. I don't even want to record this part. Oh, but this is beautiful. Look at this. This is the field. And this is the Radweg, so the bicycle way. So to continue my hiking, I have to go to this direction and then to the left side. One of my favorite movies is called A Mysterious Forest, and in this movie the main storyline is that there is a forest, and in the forest there is kind of creatures are living that are protecting this forest, and the humans were not allowed to go there inside. When I saw the small sea point, it reminds me to this movie. If I have time today, I will watch it tonight, just to get inspired by Ghost Forest, I would say. I see some wooden construction. It looks like something for protection of the wind, like a huta. I just want to get closer to check. Okay, someone managed to bring the chair here. I'm not feeling very safe to be close to this one, even there is no one around, but still it looks a little bit creepy, you know. So I'm going back to the road of my hike. You see this small sea point? It's like from the movie. So let's hope that it's stable. Yeah, I really like from the movie. If you know which movie I'm talking about, just write me in the comments of this video. It's very beautiful to see these flowers are growing. I'm not sure which one. Is it a raps or another one? But looks nice. Let's continue hiking. Okay, according to the map, this place is Alte Forsterei. Yeah, this building looks abandoned. Just to tell you that I don't have a desire to go closer. I want to do my hiking, and I assume that I did a little bit different road than I thought. In the app it was one road, and I think the route that I took is a little bit different, but no problem. Seems I'm still do the loop, but it's a bigger one. I came back to the ghost forest, the area close to the beach. This way, it's the same way as I took already several times. So I'm thinking to change it, and I probably go closer to the water and then walk back by walking on the beach. I think it's a good plan, and it's getting windy. Very windy. Just a few seconds of sunshine and the picture changes. Yeah, it's getting slippery. I will not go further because the wood is already broken. But it's nice. Seems this is a preparation for Rustan celebration. Maybe the celebration will be here. I saw the advertisement that it starts at 4 o'clock. I'm not sure if at 4 o'clock they will burn it, maybe later. So maybe I have to ask the people who live there at which time it starts burning. And just to say that I'm hungry. It's almost 2 o'clock and 30 minutes, so I think I need to rest a little bit and eat. With the sun everything changes. So I see the beautiful color of the water, and I thought to go back to the forest when it's a little bit shiny outside. Let's see. Do you feel the difference on the first part of the video when you saw the ghost forest and the trees, when there was a grey sky, windy and cold, and now it's everything but with sun and less clouds? It's become more like a fairy tale version, you know. Write me in the comment if you see a huge difference or you don't see any difference. If you look up and just stop for some moment, you'll see that the trees are very slowly moving and dancing, like speaking, and very, very softly and slowly. I hear the sound. It's like cracking, a little bit cracking. Let's check if they are working, because in 1 minute it will be 4 o'clock. This is very cool. So this is my bicycle till tomorrow morning. Wow, that was interesting car. Should I go directly to cycle a bit, or should I go home, put my bag and then go to cycle? So to go back to the pension, it's like 14 minutes. Yeah, almost 4 kilometers. Maybe I will do that and then I will be back. I think it's the first time when I'm renting the bicycle during travel. Most of the time I'm renting the bicycle in the city where I'm currently living. I feel it's a nice experience. I would need a short break for 1 hour, and then with a new power I can cycle around. The thing is that I have to bring the bicycle at 10 o'clock, between 10 and 11 tomorrow, so should manage it. So getting ready with the bicycle. So I just had a short break and have a little bit recharged my energy, and it's around 6:30. Right now I'm cycling to the Baltic Sea. I'm thinking first of all to go on the right side to follow the beach, and after some time I will turn around and go to the ghost forest. In total, I think more than 15 kilometers. And now I'm just enjoying the evening and a little bit challenging road. Ooh. So I saw in the map that this is like a viewpoint. Yep. So let's continue. Okay, I found the map. So right now I'm here. I was cycling from here. I will cycle a little bit in this direction, and then after some time I will turn off and then go back here. So right now I'm here. If I want to go back and cycle, it will take approximately 7 and 8 kilometers. So coming back to the same road that I'm going now is part of Baltic cycling road. And this road starts from Denmark, goes to Germany and then to Poland. So this is like very, very huge cycling road, and a lot of cyclists are going this way. Maybe one day I will do it too. Today I just do a small part of it. I already hear the loud music. Seems like the Easter fest started. I'm not sure if it's very good for the nature and for the animals who are living there to hear this loud music, but maybe if it's one time per year, maybe it's fine. I will show you in a sec. So I saw something similar in Nienhagen, Netherlands, but they were burning it on the beach on the New Year, as far as I remember. This is something that I didn't see that in Germany they celebrate Easter like this. In around 20 minutes there will be total sunset. I will walk a little bit and then continue cycling. So 5 minutes before total sunset, I'm cycling now in the ghost forest. I see some people are running, but still there are less and less people. If I will cycle some kilometers close to the coast, there will be the lighthouse. If everything is okay, I will maybe try to go there. You know what? I think I made a mistake. It's not the light tower, it's just a tower, like touristic attraction. And my intuition tells me that it's better that I will go back to the ghost forest, and then I'm thinking I will cycle back. So my favorite people, during last 1.5 days I showed you the ghost forest from all sides, from walking side, when it's dark little bit, when it's sunny, during the daytime. I was having a walk, I had a bicycle with me, I was cycling. So I hope that you saw everything, and I hope that that gives you the feeling of this place a little bit. If you want to see the thing, you have to come there and explore it by yourself. I did my best to provide you the information and also the sensation that I feel. I had enough fun today. Right now what I will do, I will go there and a little bit drink my tea and maybe slowly resting, and after that I will go to the pension place. I will eat something and hopefully watch a movie. And tomorrow will be a long day back. I will first of all have to bring this wonderful bicycle back to the renting place, and after that I have to go to Rostock. So I hope you will enjoy the last moments. Let's see how it will be. I hope you will enjoy the evening with me. Woohoo! Nice.